Welcome to NeXR Show. NeXR Show is a platform for creating live, interactive entertainment that brings fans and artists together. In merging our technologies, we have created hybrid solutions that can now bring physical concerts into the digital space. NeXR Show brings fans from all over the world, wherever they are, at any remote location, into the virtual realm of the artist.
NeXR Show offers incredible, fully immersive, real-time, custom-made virtual stages for all artists and performers. With our hybrid technology and team of industry-leading digital architects and 3D artists, we produce fully interactive environments and spectacular digital assets. Our goal is to connect the artist directly to the audience through visceral virtual experiences.
Performers can choose whether they want to appear in person, as an avatar in the form of a fantasy creature, an oversized robot, an exact replica of themselves. Everything is possible.
NeXR Show is a platform created to connect artists with their fans through an interactive live show. There are a lot of virtual shows being produced, which is awesome for the industry, but we are differentiating ourselves by how interactive and open our format is. We believe in real time and not just passive watching. We believe in immersion, interaction, and ultimately this is a new type of show experience for the fans.
Through their participation, fans can trigger virtual effects in real time, live. We developed NeXR Show to bring live entertainment into the next level. The show will go on.